my name is Sean Jordison, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to embed a video using the new rich content editor within Canvas. To begin, we need to find the video that we want to embed and get the embed code. I have a video pulled up in another tab here, and the first step we're going to do is select the share button, followed by the embed button. This brings up the embed code that we need to copy. And then to insert this into our Canvas page, we need to ensure we are in edit mode. Navigate to the location that you would like to insert your video. I'm going to put it right under these words overview. I'm going to select insert, embed, paste my code into the area here, and then click submit. Finally, I'm going to save our video, save our page, and here we go. We now have an embedded video within Canvas. You just learned how to embed a video using the new rich content editor within Canvas. Thank you for watching.